you, Isha. A lot of people don't know how to actually use. You take it, you only need a little bit. See my messed up edges? Let me show you. Then a lot of people don't know when you have a ponytail, all you do is slide the excess hair, the hair that's sticking out. And this actually, y'all, doesn't leave a residue. I've tried plenty, and they may go on alright for a couple of hours or whatever, then they end up turning white. Or your hair curl back up. My hair is actually natural, so I'm going to show you. Pretty much it's going to stand. All you do. That's why I love these. Especially when I wear a ponytail. So you can tuck that hair underneath that ponytail. Who cares? It ain't yours, but it's getting tucked underneath there. Do this side. And I also don't have to reapply. See all that hair? Yeah, I sleep well. You can either comb it if you want to. Or brush it. Take it and tuck it. That's all you do. Take it and tuck it. See, no hair. I ain't do this side, I'm do this side. But comment below and let me know if it's some other good edge control that doesn't have a white residue or leave your hair hard and brittle. I can't stand that. Slide it in. And I'm ready to go after I do my eye makeup. But this is my lip gloss, just in case you was wondering. It just stick. But where my edges? Where my flyaways? Nowhere. Now ready to go. Yeah, once I do a little eye makeup. Like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. I got more videos coming for you. I just gotta get some subscribers. But thanks for tuning in. See you on my next video.